welcome you all in this educational video of NIOS for subject Library and Information Science. Code number for this subject is 339 Senior Secondary Level. In this video, we will be doing lesson number 14. You can see the name on screen. Name of the lesson is Modern Library Services. So this is the name of our lesson. In this, we will be talking about modern library service. We all know that internet came into existence in the year 1950s, and then slowly it gained popularity. And it has now completely revolutionized each and every sphere of our life. Whether it is bank, whether it is school, whether it is entertainment, education, railways. Likewise, its impact is on different aspects and in a very different way. So libraries, which are now known as the knowledge center, they have taken advantage of internet in offering new dimensions, whether it is entertainment. The technology has helped it revolutionize, and all the different technological assistance, like now we have Wi-Fi and we use internet in our mobile, in our desktop computers, in our laptop. So it has changed our life, and also it has given a good comfort. If we talk in terms of libraries, our libraries are also now online libraries, and all the services are becoming technologically speedy. So all this we will be discussing in this chapter, which is modern library services. So let's get started. First, we will be learning new words from the lesson modern library services. All these words are from this same lesson. So let's begin. Modern. Manual. Manual services. Vandalism book. Internet age. Computerized library. Arrangement of books. Revolutionized. e-book, email, consortia, periodicals, and books. Magazines and newspapers. Remote access. Digital library. blocking, public, publicly, SMS, short message services, issues, current issues, book repair, heterogeneous population, endeavor, pivotal, advantage, break,
करने राहों को आलोकित करने,
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने राहों को आलोकित करने, हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने,
अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने,
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने राहों को आलोकित करने।
धन साधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो,
संसाधन समय की सीमा से विद्यालय जो मुक्त हो,
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े वे विषय की लोट से युक्त हो,
कभी पढ़े हम कहीं पढ़े वे विषय की लोच से युक्त हो,
मित्रों हम उठे और जागे,
मंजिल आने की ध्वनि सुने, हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने,
जीवन ये प्रकाशित करने राहों को आलोकित करने।
राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विद्यालय का है द्वार खुला सबकी खातिर,
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर,
शिक्षा परीक्षा का अवसर एक बार ही क्यों मिलता फिर दुनिया में इसके केंद्र बात,
कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने, हम अपना दीपक स्वयं बने, हम अपना रास्ता स्वयं चुने, कोई मन चाहा केंद्र चुने,
Let us continue after the break. This is introduction of this lesson. We all know that internet came into existence in the year 1950s, and then slowly it gained popularity only in the mid 1990s. It has completely revolutionized each and every sphere of life, be it banking, entertainment, or education. So with the help of internet, now our work has become easier if we compare it with the previous time, with the earlier work. Internet has actually revolutionized everything. And likewise, its impact on libraries has been stupendous. Libraries, which are also known as knowledge centers, have taken advantage of internet in offering new collections and services to their users. So internet nowadays is offering new types of services for all the library users. And it is an added advantage for every one of us. And all those who are book lovers and knowledge lovers, they actually appreciate this and utilize this more. Let us now understand the objectives of this lesson. What we are going to understand in this lesson, let us now see. First, we will be able to understand the importance of modern libraries for the society. Also, we will be able to understand the meaning and the concept behind the modern library. Along with that, we will be able to understand the need for modern library services. We will discuss all points in detail. Also, we will be able to understand the different types of library services, and we will be able to understand the manual services in detail by going through this chapter. Along with that, we will understand the computerized services. So let us now begin with the topic, modern library. A modern library is a social organization which uses technologies to offer information services to its heterogeneous population on a 24/7 basis as and whenever they need it. It does not limit itself to offering place-based services. Because we know that library is a place where people from different societies, from different backgrounds, they come to gain knowledge, to access the books. Let us now understand the characteristics of modern libraries. We will discuss this in point number 1. Modern libraries have a social function in making knowledge publicly available. Point number 2. Modern libraries, they play a very important role we can say that they play two pivotal roles. Firstly, they serve as a local center. They serve as a local center of information and knowledge, and the second important role is to be able to provide a local gateway to national and global knowledge. So these are two pivotal roles which are undertaken by the library. Point number 3, they also serve as a gateways to the world of knowledge for children by offering a wide spectrum of books to ignite their mind. Point number 4, they endeavor to cultivate reading habits among the children at an early age. Let us now understand the need for modern library. Modern libraries have a social function in making knowledge publicly available. We already discussed the two basic pivotal roles of modern library. We are just reiterating that here. The first important role is to serve as a local center of information and knowledge, and the second important role is to be a local gateway to national and global knowledge. And they also play important role as a gateway to the world of knowledge for children by offering a wide spectrum of books so that their minds can be ignited and they create a habit of reading good books and cultivate and continue this habit of reading. And they all try this endeavor to cultivate reading habits among the children at a very early age. So in short, we can say that modern library services are imperative because of these following reasons. Point number 1, change in information seeking behaviors of users. If we compare the behavior of users, then we will find that in earlier time the users had different approach, and nowadays they all have a very different approach. And also the increased demands and expectations of the users. And the next reason is availability of technology, which facilitates availability and accessibility. So let us now understand the library services. It is mainly divided into two parts. The first one is manual services and the second one is computerized services. We will understand both of these services in detail. Let us first begin with the manual services. The circulation section issues books to the readers or users by using the card or the register system. This we do in the manual services system, in which we make all the entries by hand and keep a record in our register with the help of pen and paper. We call all these as a manual services. Let us understand it in points. Point number 1 explains the technical section of the library catalogs the books and prepares print or card catalogs. It also prepares list of new editions manually. So whatever new books are available or have arrived in the library, so their list is provided to the readers, whoever are coming to the library, so that they can opt for these books, new books. And it is the duty of the technical section to keep the catalogs of the book and prepare the list proper way and update the list, keep updating the list. And all this is done manually. Point number 2, libraries prepare bibliographies, abstracts and indexes as per the research needs of the users. So all the bibliographies and abstracts, indexes, they are all prepared by the libraries for the users' easiness, to make their work easy. Point number 3, current awareness services, which we call as CAS, CAS, are provided to the users by routing the photocopies of tables of contents of the journals. Point number 4. Reference service is provided by a face-to-face interview meet. Point number 5. The staff monitors, supervises and maintains security in order to check and control theft, damage, vandalism in the library. Point number 6. Stock taking is done by comparing the shelf list with the books arranged in stacks. So far we have understood the need for library services and now the manual services. Now from here we will understand the different types of services provided by library, which is computerized services. We will discuss it in points. Point number 1. Today libraries are using computerized system to maintain records of all activities and procedures, which is all done with the help of computers. So we call it as computerized services. If we compare it with the previous work, then we say that earlier we used to do it all manually. Point number 2. The libraries have computerized their housekeeping operations like acquisition, cataloging, circulation, and recording details of journal subscription. Point number 3. LMS is known as Library Management Software. So this software is used by a library for performing various activities of the library. The software has various modules for library activities. Using the software, the routine work of the library is done speedily and efficiently. So libraries use library management software for different work activities in the library. And it makes the work speedy. And this is the fourth point. So we say that in simple words, the library management software is a very good system, a computerized system where all housekeeping operations are done with the help of computers, and the computerized services are also offered to the users through library management software. So we have completed this lesson. In the beginning we did the difficult words from this lesson, and after that we understood it. I hope you understood this lesson well and also learned in detail about the manual and the computerized system of library. So these are basically two main systems which we discussed in this video. We also discussed the advantages and disadvantages of manual services and computerized services. So it is better to utilize the new technology because it makes our work faster. Both the systems have its positive and negative. Thank you. Namaskar.